Welcome to the new Aloe-Jojoba Conditioner. It is completely LILIAL free. Check it out today. Check it out today.
I've been on the hunt for a conditioner that really delivers, and let me tell you, the Aloe-Jojoba Conditioner R is a game changer. First off, it's LILIAL free, which is a big win for those of us who are cautious about what we put on our hair. This conditioner combines the hydrating power of aloe with the nourishing benefits of jojoba oil. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, making it perfect for keeping your scalp healthy and balanced. And jojoba oil, it mimics our natural oil, so it's fantastic for adding moisture without weighing your hair down. I love how my hair feels soft and manageable after using it, not to mention it smells amazing. If you're looking for a product that's gentle yet effective, this is it. It's like a spa day for your hair. And who doesn't want that? Give it a try and you might just fall in love with your hair all over again.